Hey everybody, here is our first video on Fusion 360. First thing we need to talk about is how to set everything up so that you can have a good file management system. What I want to do is set things up so that when we're working on things in class, we can have different folders for each project and be able to work our way through and have each of the files for each project in each one. That way, when we're working, you're not going to accidentally name something the same as what you did in another project and overwrite your files. First thing I want to do is, you would generally be under home, but I want to make one just for this year because I have a lot of files, a lot of classes, and I'm going to set it up as a new folder, and I'm just going to call it IED for Introduction to Engineering Design. Now it's going to create that folder, and then inside of there I want to start setting up for all of my assignments. So if I double click it, you're going to see there's nothing in there yet. I'm going to put a new folder in there, and then this is going to be our first set of assignments. So what I want to do is set things up numerically to start with. So if I put a 0 and a 1 to start with, it's always going to be in the front of the list, and then the next one will be under it, next one under it. So I did a 0.1 space, and then I'm going to go ahead and write out what our assignment is. So this first one is just basic line modeling. And that is where we're going to save all of our files. Since we're here right now, I'm just going to go ahead and make sure that you know how to save a file during this time as well. So I had already made our first file. I'm going to go up from here to the top, go down to save, and then it's going to ask me the name of the file and where I want to have it located. So you see it says it has it already set up for the IED folder, but I want to make sure that it's actually in the folder that I just created here. So I went and made sure that it says 1 basic line modeling. And then I have to change the name, and this was the first part, so I'm just going to put 01 on there for which part it was. So the part was only labeled with a number 1, so I'm going to put 01 as the part. Once I click save, it's going to try to save the file, and if I double click on my folder, I'm going to see that my first part is in there. All right, set up yours and good luck.